project is an Eagle Claw Keychain Fob. We have a drawing, we have a block of wood, and now we need a way to transfer the drawing onto the wood. And there are several ways of doing that. You can use a pencil with a piece of paper. Where's my piece of paper here? And actually make a carbon transfer sheet. That way when you put the carbon down and then do a tracing over the top of it, it will transfer to the block of wood. So once you download it and printed the image, then you can pick the size that you want to carve. There we go. All right, so now I've got the diagram of what the carving should look like, and I need to transfer it to a piece of wood. So this is the wood that I chose. I think it's probably about the right size. It could be modified a little bit maybe. Probably the best way to glue a piece of paper to a board is just simply use a glue stick. It's easy application, very neat. No mess, and you're done. From this point, then you can go ahead and do your carving. Well, not that one. Let's go with the one that I want to use. So from this point, you can go ahead and carve directly into the wood, right through that paper. And once you've actually made the cuts, then you can take the paper away if you like, or keep it. You can look at the diagram, which I have here, and the area marked in red is what you'll be cutting away. So those are all going to be cut away. So these are all the things that are going to be cut away. All the sections are going to be cut. Anything with an X on it is going to be cut away. Now, of course, the easiest way to do that is to take it over on a bandsaw and cut all those excess pieces of wood away from this, and you'll have something that looks kind of like that. You'll have the profile, you'll have the thickness, and all of that can be done on the bandsaw. Okay, looking better. I think that's a pretty good start. And thank goodness for this glove that I've got on in my left hand, which prevents any accidents from happening, because these gouges are very sharp. Now, for those of you wood carvers that are purists who would never use sandpaper, here's your chance to actually try sandpaper and see what it does. It works wonders. All right, well, I think I'm almost done here. Looking pretty good. Got most of the carving fuzz off of there. Still a little bit right here. Clean those little gullets out. Well, I think my next step is to go ahead and paint it. Got a little bit of a flat there. I think I better sand that off. Go with this one. So I want that to be a nice round configuration on the edge of the claw. It should almost come to a point without a point. Gotta get rid of that flat. And if you look right here, I've got a pencil mark where the center is, so that gives me a guide. Well, I think it's probably good enough. Now what I intend to do with this is go ahead and prime it. I've got some primer paint, clean metal primer. Okay. So at the end I will probably be using a silver paint for this back area here. So that's where the ring would go for a keychain. And this would be considered the holder, which in my case is a little bit different in shape. I've made mine a little bit more oblong than round as the drawing shows. And we'll see how it comes out. Right now I'm going to go paint. We'll do the primer first. We'll take a look at that, fix any defects that are there, and go from there. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and remember, keep your spirits high and your tools sharp. And we'll see you in the next video. And here is the